Hey, what is up you guys? So this is a video I've wanted to make for a really long time, and I know it's one a lot of you guys have been asking for. But I wanted to do an overview and sort of instruction video for the Pulse series of gauntlets and bracers available in my web store. These are a sound reactive LED glove that are mostly intended for cosplayers and performers, but I've also had clients use them for film and for other purposes as well, or really just anyone who likes cool light up things. I know we're all like that. If you found this channel, you obviously like cool light up stuff. So I just wanted to make a video to show all the cool features it can do, or if you already own these, this video will also sort of serve as an instruction booklet. In your package there will be a QR code that will lead you directly here, or the instructions in the package will also tell you how to operate these gauntlets. But these are something that photos really just don't do them justice, and I really wanted to make a video to show all the cool motions and all the cool features that these can do. So let's get into it. Alright, so I went ahead and took this off so I could show it to you. As you can see, it's responding to my voice right now. It has a built-in microphone right in here. But I'm just going to click through some of the settings so you can see all the different features. On the inside, you can see it has a buckle, it's fully adjustable, this padding on the inside, as well as these three buttons, which are the main control interface that you will use to control these gauntlets. So the top button controls the different patterns that the gauntlet can flash, and the middle button controls the different color schemes you can flash through, and there are so many different combinations. We'd be sitting here for an hour if I went through them all, but there are a lot of different features. You can do pretty much every primary color, and every color has a bunch of different settings as well. Some are sound reactive, some just stay on, or some just flash in a pattern. But yeah, these are really cool. There's a lot of different options you can try. Now, as you can imagine, these are really popular with cosplayers. I regularly see these around at Comic-Con, and it's cool to see stuff that I mailed out months ago and see it come back in person to my booth at Comic-Con. But they're also really popular with DJs and bands. I just recently had a band called Augment wear these on stage with one of my helmets along with some of my other gear. They're really cool people, definitely check it out. But they just released a new music video using these gauntlets. Which also leads me to, these are really popular with filmmakers. It's really cool to see these on the big screen. There's a handful already out there and still more to come, which is really exciting. So yeah, I pretty much offer these in any color you can imagine. This one is a custom weathered paint job that I came up with, but I offer these in pretty much every primary color. All these armor plates are produced separately from the black piece that holds it all together. So they're really customizable and really well suited for multiple applications, and they've been one of my most popular items on my Etsy store, and I really appreciate everyone's support. That's what keeps me going. So thank you all who are coming from my Etsy or from my website. I really do appreciate you checking it out. So as always guys, thanks for watching, and if you have supported my store and picked up some of these gauntlets or maybe some of the other things I offer, I really appreciate it. Thank you very much for your support. All the profits from that channel goes into creating new cool things like this or the robotics projects on my channel as well. In the next coming months, I'm going to have a lot of updates on the robotic arm. You can see the new version behind me here, along with a video on Maker Faire next month in Orange County. If any of you come out and see me, I would love to say hi to all of you. Thanks for checking back. Please subscribe, all that good stuff, and thanks for watching.